Hello everyone, I am Sirajum Monira, Assistant Professor and Course Coordinator of the Fashion Design Department. I have completed my Masters in Fashion Management and worked with brands like 145 East, Rashi Kapoor and many more. ESEDS School of Design is India's #1 sustainable design college and provide advanced professional courses on fashion design and bachelor degree on the same. The fashion courses are structured to give students unique insights of contemporary design by merging tradition and innovation. Students exploring sustainability and technologies and forward-facing in terms of future trend and needs. Would like to give the student to cultivate design creativity, individual style and personal vision of students. The course is meant to act as a bridge that connects our students with the international level of education. So, join our fashion design course to explore a world of sustainability and fashion.